Vanakkam viewers, I am Purnima Arun, Consultant Optometrist at Apt Vision, Chennai. I am here to share with you some information on coronavirus and your eyes. Our eyes play a vital role in the spread of the virus. That is the reason we have been asked not to touch our eyes, mouth and nose. It is the mucous membrane of these parts of the body that are most susceptible to the transmission of the virus. So, it has been observed that if you touch an infected surface and then touch your eyes, the virus can transmit into your body through your eyes. There have been few cases where conjunctivitis was seen as a symptom in COVID positive patients. So, if you develop redness, watering, stickiness or pain in your eyes, do consult your eye care professional immediately. But please do give them a call before you visit them. This is important to reduce the spread of the virus. We all are ensuring that we do not spread or contract the virus through our mouth or nose by wearing a mask. But what are we doing to protect our eyes? All of us need to wear protective glasses or face shields to keep our eyes protected. Let me tell you at this point of time that your spectacles are not considered as a protective glass, though it may reduce the number of times you touch your eyes. Also, contact lens wearers can continue to wear their contact lenses during this period, but please do follow the rules that have been advised to you by your eye care professional. But if you feel sick, please discontinue your contact lens wear. A protective goggles or a face shield is a part of personal protective equipment of a healthcare professional, but it is also important for persons working in pharmacies, banks or various retail stores to wear a protective glass or a face shield as they come to close interaction with humans. Another problem that all of us are facing during this lockdown is eye strain. Why do we get this eye strain? Is because of constant gadget usage. From school-going children to elders, all of us are engaging in gadgets more than ever before. So it is important that we take care of our eyes and do not develop severe dryness by the end of this lockdown. So, here are a few tips that I am going to give you to take care of your eyes. The first and most important tip is to follow a rule called as 20-20-20. What you need to do in this is that you need to take a break after every 20 minutes for a minimum of 20 seconds and look at a 20 feet distance. And second point is you need to blink at least 16 times per minute. This is very important. You need to close your eyes, open, close, open, close, open. This you need to follow every minute for 16 times. Third important thing is you need to keep yourself hydrated. For that, drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water. Fourth point is it is important to take a healthy diet. Fifth point is you should ensure you sleep enough. Most important, you need to keep your phone away before you go to bed. This will help in rejuvenating your eyes for the next day. Thank you. I am glad to have been able to share this information with you all through Precision Pro events. Hope these tips would be useful for all of you. Thank you once again.